So you might be in a situation where your Apple TV remote buttons are just not working. Now, this may mean a couple of different things, but if you're going through and if you're clicking the buttons on your Apple TV remote, you're moving things around, but for some reason none of the buttons are working, the first thing you may want to do is just make sure that your particular remote battery is actually fully functioning. So what you may want to do here is you want to flip to the back of your particular Apple TV remote, so just like this, and what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up this battery compartment. Now you may need a little bit of a tool to do so. Sometimes it may not come out just with your fingernail, but you may want to go ahead and just open up the back compartment and go ahead and take out this battery. Now when you do that, what's going to end up happening is that your particular device, for the most part, is going to go ahead and see that the battery maybe have been the issue. And from there, all you're going to have to do is go ahead and just get a new battery and replace this battery, and that might end up fixing the problem for the most part. Now, hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If that doesn't end up fixing it, let's say the battery's fine, but then there's another issue. The next thing you can try doing is you can try going through and basically seeing if you can reconnect this particular remote to your Apple TV. You can do so by holding down the sync button and then finding out how to pair up your particular Apple TV remote to your particular Apple TV. But also you can try restarting your Apple TV. So you can grab your Apple TV, you can just go and restart it, plug it in, plug it back out, things like that. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, for you, which for a lot of people, things like that can end up fixing it, and that might be all you're going to have to do from that particular standpoint as well. So those are just a few different ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.